ruin my morning.
Hey my lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is your mom and South Minhaj Rahman. Today is an exciting video on this makeup look of Disney's Maleficent. This video is really special for me as this is my son's favorite character. He just loves the Maleficent and so do I. And if you do like her, then please watch the video till the end as I'll be doing all the DIY and the makeup step by step. So before we get started, you know what to do. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified on new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so let's start up with the headpiece of Maleficent. Here you can see I'm done with one horn already. I'll show you the next one. So for making the horns, I'm taking newspaper as my base and I will be rolling it as tight as I can into the horn shape. I'm adding another newspaper to it in order to get the density. Well guys, as many of you have asked me that how do I manage to get these things done. So let me tell you that whenever I do such transforming makeup looks, so I take 2 to 3 days prior to get organized. So one day I arrange everything, the second day I do all my DIYs, and then the third day I do the makeup shooting. And then finally I choose a day for uploading my video. But I really enjoy whenever I make such transforming videos. Next, for keeping the newspaper firm into the shape, I'm using the silver foil. This is widely used in the whole look. Silver foil really gives you that stiffness you need for any props you want to make. Okay, as you can see, I'm done with the shape and I'm happy with it. Next, I'm taking this insulation tape in black and I'll be wrapping it all over the horn. This is the easiest way I could find to make Maleficent headpiece because it also gives you that leather kind of finish as she has the gloss on her headpiece. So this is the easiest way I could find out. Okay guys, so now let's start up with my hair first. For my hair, I'll be doing just into a tight bun. And then for the headpiece, I'm using this silver foil again, a big piece, and then wrapping it tightly on my head and making sure that it is well tight and secured. Then next I'm taking this black insulation tape and I'll be wrapping it all around my head. Making sure that there are no gaps in between. Once I'm done with the base, I'll be attaching my horns with the same insulation tape. Just making sure that it is in the proper place. My headpiece is almost done, just time for some detailing she has on her headpiece. Now starting up with the makeup, as usual, I'm starting up with my eyebrows. I'm using the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow. And in small strokes, filling in my eyebrows. Next, I'll be using this Double Wear Concealer by Tarte and cleaning my eyebrow area, and also I will be applying it on the eyelids. Next, to start off with my eyeshadow, I'm using this light beige shade as my transition shade. and applying it on the upper area of my eye. Next, on the outer corners of my eye, I'll be applying this coffee brown shade and slowly blending it into the crease to get that slight smoky effect as Maleficent has. She doesn't have a complete smoky eye effect but intense eye crease. Next, I'm using this white shade onto my eyelids in order to make them look bigger. I'm using this carbon shade and then slowly intensifying it on my outer corners of my eye, applying it just above the coffee brown I had applied in order to get her intense eyes, and slowly getting up into the crease. Next, I'm using the spot eyeliner by Inglot and just making a small wing as she doesn't have a long wing, and getting it half the way through my eyelid. Now for my face, I'm prepping it first by some moisturizer. Next, I'll be using this orange corrector under my eyes and areas where I have pigmentation. Next, for my face, today I'll be using this foundation by Gosh. This is a light to medium coverage foundation. Well, you guys must be wondering what have I applied to my cheeks. Well, this was the wax which I had used in order to get those chiseled cheekbones what Maleficent has. But unfortunately, I had to remove it because of the climate. It was getting too sticky and it was hard to manage. My son was all excited to see me in this look and was disturbing me in the whole video. Okay guys, now comes the very important and the most highlighted part of this look. It's the contouring. As you can see, Angelina has all her features very well popped up. Her cheekbones are just chiseled, her eyes are chiseled out. So I had to get very close to that. So this is an unusual contouring which I'm doing it today, which we don't do it on regular basis. I'm using this dark shade first, the coffee brown shade, and then slowly building it up with some carbon, that is the black shade, to get that chiseled cheekbones effect. Next, as you can see, Maleficent has a very chiseled nose, and also she has a lot of contouring near her eye area. So I'm doing the same and trying to get as close I can. Next, I'm using this Tarte Double Wear concealer in order to highlight the areas which I want and make them look brighter. So I'm applying it under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, my chin. Well, this is a full coverage concealer and it is amazing when you need it for your full coverage basis. I'm using a small beauty blender and blending it out well. Today I'll be using this white color loose powder by PAC in order to get that white tinge to my face as Maleficent has, and dusting it off. I'm applying it all the places where I had highlighted. For detailing the look, I'll be applying this carbon shade on my lower lash line and blending it well. Next, I'll be using this white kajal and applying it on my lash line in order to make my eyes look more brighter and bigger. Next, for my lips, I'll be using this lip liner by Miss Claire in the shade Red and drawing my Cupid's bow sharp as she has. Next, I'm using this lip paint by Fenty Beauty in the shade Censored and filling in my lips. And for some more detailings, as you can see, Angelina has a small mole on her eyebrow, so just drawing that. Well, lastly, I'm applying little gloss on the center of my lips. As you can see, Maleficent has slight glossy effect on her lips. Well, that's it guys. This is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comment section below how close did I go to this look. Till then, thanks for watching and love you all.